Hey there friends, welcome back. In this video, let's discuss about Java. So in general, the topic itself is quite broad and it would be really boring to explain and demonstrate all the features of interface in one single video, and it would be really difficult for you as well to understand and grasp the concepts of interface as well. So rather than making this video unuseful or boring, let's focus on one specific topic, that is the functional interface. So in this demonstration video, I'm going to talk about the basic differences between a conventional interface and a functional interface, and also the benefits that are coming along the functional interface feature in Java. So can you identify the problems with this implementation? Actually, there are quite a few problems, but I'm gonna discuss about the ones that are pretty basic, and we should know the problems that comes along with this sort of implementation. So first off, if I want to find the average of two numbers using this math interface, then I had to go back to my interface and declare another abstract function method with couple of parameters, right? And then I had to implement that unimplemented method inside the calculation class. So that means that this interface is not reusable. That's the first problem. Number two, you had to write a lot of code, right? That's a lot of code just for a few basic functions. And number three is that if I want to achieve or use the composition, that would be really messy, like this way. If I had to do it this way, as we cannot create an instance of an interface, then I had to implement all those interface in an anonymous way, like this way, right? But that would be really difficult. Okay, it would be really messy. So in order to overcome these problems, Java introduced the concept of functional programming. So let's see how we can actually overcome these problems using the functional interface. So let me get rid of the abstract functions that I declared inside the math interface. So let me remove all those and declare one abstract method that is called calculate, and give a couple of parameters. So this is by definition a functional interface. So the main difference, or the first difference between a conventional interface and a functional interface, is that the functional interface will have one and only one abstract method, right? And we can explicitly make this interface functional by annotating it with functional interface annotation. So now if you go and try to add another abstract method within, you will get a compilation error. So you are not allowed to add any more method within. Second, also let me get rid of this. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna do it this way. So if I execute this code, okay, so showing the reference. So instead, let's do it this way. So if I run again, okay, so as you can see, the first benefit of using this functional interface is that we can use actually lambda expression, right? And second, the number of code reduced. Number three, this code is really reusable. Like if I want to uh, give the average of two numbers, then I didn't have to do anything inside the interface. Rather, I would like to declare a variable called avg, and I can just copy this one here, right? Okay, so the code is reusable. Okay, and additionally, I can skip the inheritance approach of implementing an interface, right? So these are the major advantages that we can achieve using the functional interface. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Peace out. Bye.